Hey, this is John. I'm going to be teaching a side kick today. So all kicks kind of start off the same way with a rising knee. The difference is the direction is to the side, hence the name. So this is my opponent or target. What I do is I lift my leg and I shoot my foot out. I try to strike with the heel, and preferably you can do a knife edge or turn it downward. And so it would be, and then you snap it back. So it would be on a count 1, 2, 3, or 1, kick, return, get into a good stance. Fast, it would look like so. There's other variations, but this is the basic side kick. So to recap that, rising knee, kick, plant down, get into a good stance. All right, so to recap, rising knee, shoot it out. Remember, we're striking with the heel. In speed, or just normal, it would be like such. There's, like I said, there's variations. That's the basic side kick. Makes a good stretch if you just 1, 2, let me get it a better range. 1, 2, you can hold it, come in, and then regain good stance. So anyway, that was side kick. Hope you enjoyed watching. Happy kicking.